Use a vinegar-based cleaner and consistent drying to remove mold and mildew from a shower safely and effectively. Start by protecting yourself with gloves and goggles and open windows or run a fan to increase ventilation. Mix white distilled vinegar with an equal part of water in a spray bottle and warm it slightly to improve efficacy, but do not heat to boiling. Spray the affected grout, tile, and caulk generously and allow the solution to sit for at least 30 minutes so the acid can loosen spores and break down biofilms. For raised or textured surfaces, use a soft nylon brush or an old toothbrush to scrub along grout lines and edges, avoiding metal brushes that can gouge and leave corrosion-prone scratches. Rinse thoroughly with warm water and dry with a clean microfiber towel, pressing into grout lines to remove excess moisture. If stains persist after 2 treatments, apply a paste of baking soda and water, scrub gently, then rinse and dry again, and consider replacing caulk if mold is embedded or repeatedly returns. Common mistakes include using bleach on porous grout, which can give a false sense of removal while spores remain embedded. Instead, use vinegar and mechanical agitation and replace degraded caulk. Relying solely on spot cleaning without addressing humidity will let mold return quickly. Solve this by improving ventilation through an exhaust fan or leaving the bathroom door open after showers and wiping surfaces dry. Overzealous scrubbing with metal tools can damage tile and grout, leading to more mold. Use soft brushes and replace any compromised grout or sealant promptly. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who can tackle persistent mold and make longer-lasting repairs, and we connect contractors with homeowners looking for work. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn practical strategies together.